Massage therapy is an integral partner in integrative healthcare, which is why it makes sense that we are here at Northeast, because we are dedicated to treating the whole person. Every single client has a different need. We give our students many tools to use so that they can treat that person on that table at that time. Our faculty have a diversity of experiences working in all different settings, and in the classroom, they're using their hindsight as our students' foresight. We want them to be prepared for that first time they're in their own massage room by themselves with their very first client. These facilities, the technology is phenomenal, and nothing like I've seen at any other massage school here in New York State or across the nation. We have technology to support massage therapists who might have challenges with studying sciences like A&P. We are working with some of the best spas in upstate New York, making arrangements for our students to actually work within the spas before graduation. We also provide immersion experiences such as those at Clear Path for Veterans in Syracuse, New York. Through this program, our students are able to provide massage therapy services to veterans with moderate to high level mental or physical health care needs. These are experiences you can't replicate on a campus. Passing that torch from faculty to student is literally the best experience and the best feeling, aside from the feeling you provide as a massage therapist on the table. These hands here have massaged 10,000 people. I'm excited to think that your hands will do the same, and there'll be 10,000 people ahead of you who will have the best of care and the best of experiences.